Hi, my name is Paul Heath. I'm the VP for Product Marketing here at Soapbox. Today we're going to have a look at how you can use Sofi, our virtual agent, running on top of ServiceNow to facilitate the creation of records and the management of work for applications that sit on the Soapbox platform. In today's example, we're going to assume you're using ServiceNow to manage your IT support related activities, and you've chosen to use Soapbox to run your HR case management activities. So here we are on ServiceNow. We're just on a portal page. We've got the Sofi search widget on the top right hand corner, and we want to ask about our leave balance. Sofi pops up and provides us with some potentially relevant knowledge or service catalog items. While some of those might be relevant, we're going to say no, they weren't, because we want to log a call with, or want to have Sofi log a call on Soapbox for us. Would you like to log a ticket? Yes. We can obviously still raise an IT ticket or any other kind of ticket that ServiceNow is managing for us, but in this particular case, we want to log an HR case that is being managed by Soapbox. I'm going to ask who this is for. It's for me. Any additional information? Yes. Would I need to go into negative leave? Sofi is now working to go and raise a ticket in Soapbox, in this case an HR case. We can click on that link to take us into Soapbox to see that record. Here's a self-service view of that record where I can continue to update and communicate with the HR service desk. I'm also logged in as the administrator, so I've got options down the left-hand side, and I want to go into that just to show you what an HR service agent would see. Let's have a look at these records. There's that one we just created, and there's a number of things that Sofi has done for us. First thing that pops up is Sofi has learnt that when we've seen a similar type of request in the past, that we have fired an intelligent action that goes and gets the leave balance from Workday, passes my details to Workday, and brings that information back, populates that into the record. We're also showing that we can send an email to Paul in this particular case with those details. So that might be the end of it. However, what we have also done is we have classified the ticket. We've classified it based on having seen this type of record in the past. We've classified it as a leave request against the HR payroll service and assigned it to the HR service desk. There may also be some knowledge that might be useful. But the other thing that Sofi has done is kicked off a subtask because of the fact that our leave isn't high enough to enable us to be able to go on leave unless we go into negative leave, and our policy says that we need to get approval for that. So this task is being kicked off to go and get that approval, and if I simply type approve and say set to close, that's going to update the record with some information and perhaps move it through its process. There we've updated the record with that information saying that your request to go into negative leave has been approved. And if I move over to my email client, you can see there's the email that Soapbox has automatically sent me with the leave balance that has been generated from the action that Soapbox fired into Workday. So thanks for your attention. If you'd like further information, please check out our website, Soapbox.ai, or feel free to contact me directly on paul.heath@soapbox.ai.